Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be drawing a sunflower garden, and then right in the next video I'm also going to upload the coloring video. So we'll be basically making 4 sunflowers here in different orientations and different stages like flowers and buds. And we are going to make butterflies and the sky. So basically, we just have to keep repeating the same thing all over again for the petals. So first we are making the center, as you already saw, then 4 petals, then 4 more petals in between them, and then 8 petals between the second layer of petals, and then the stem and the leaves. Now for the leaves, I'm making a type of long and slightly broad shape, and like these lines right here, I'm not going to do them. I think I'm just gonna go with the normal parallel venation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And our drawing is done. Thanks for watching and bye.